Morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading up to Waterfall Country in Sgwd Gwaldus area, where the Seven Sisters, Glenneath, all that area. Meeting the main man, Nigel Thomas. So we're literally 2 minutes into the trail and we come across a couple of nice cascades with some like lovely green mossy rocks. So we just spent a couple of minutes with there. And now we're heading on up the trail, but looks really lovely everywhere you go here.
It is lovely everywhere, John.
How far up is the first kind of waterfall, like?
It's at least a mile.
Alright, is it?
Yeah.
Hopefully,
20-30 minute steady walk.
because we've had a little bit of drizzle or rain the last couple of days, hopefully
maybe a little bit more power in it.
a bit more power in it, yeah. And today's the first nice day in a couple of days, so hopefully, and it's midweek. Or midweek, it's Thursday today?
Yeah, Thursday.
Thursday today. Hopefully it shouldn't be too many people here getting in the shop. Yeah, lovely walk already, nice.
Nice, isn't it?
So we're at the first little waterfall that was planned to come to, Sgwd Gwladus. Quite a few people here to look at things, but lovely little fall. I'm sure if we can get in the water out the way, we can take a few shots without anybody in it. But yeah, this was definitely on the list night. Sgwd Gwladus. You said people have
I've seen a canoe coming off. Well, I haven't seen
come
a
off
person.
on the
I've seen a
kayak.
photo of a canoe coming over the top.
Wow.
People swimming in there now.
Yeah, nice. So, first shot, as you can see on the camera there, I'm in quite tight because there's a few people around here and I'm trying to keep them out of the picture. There's still two girls there in the bottom left hand third, but I should be able to get them out in Photoshop. But just waiting for a bit of cloud, and I'm on F16 with the polarizer on, and that's just giving me 1/6 of a second. I'm bracketing. Yeah, 2.5 seconds there now. Stop over and a stop under, and focus just on that little stone there. I might move over here in a minute and go to portrait mode, but that's kind of the image I'm looking at there. Boom. Yeah, some nice detail on the rock, and you can see the logs or the trees under the water. Catching the top of the fall, and that's about it. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Nigel's there, look. I think we're going to head from here up to the, well, it's another fall, but there's no pathway to that one, so we're going to head up the fall up the water. We're going to walk up the river a bit. But that's another waterfall that I've had on the list for a while checked off. You see, it's going to be filmed. So, here's Nigel now.
Hello. Hello, do it, John.
I'm just going to introduce you to Nigel now. This is Nigel Thomas.
Hello.
And today we're on a lovely walk with him. No, we just done, which one we just done?
Sgwd Gwladus.
And we're going to head now.
Sgwd Einion Gam. A few river crossings and we should get there.
And what does that mean in English?
I don't know.
No idea. But
It's something of the anvil. Something of the secret anvil, I believe, but
okay.
I'm guessing a bit.
or others know it as the secret waterfall.
The secret waterfall. It's not on the map for the public, is it?
No.
No.
And you've been there once before, so
I was led up there with the club and Neil Holman and the guys, and hopefully we'll find it today now.
here we go.
Quite treacherous last time. It does go along. You phone the wife for me, won't you? Yeah.
I'm going to talk, I know, but
Nigel's died, but I didn't want to phone up about that. I phoned up with the state and the fucking ensuite the other night.
so we've followed the path out about 300 metres and we've come to this part. And it looks like this is the point where you have to decide how you're going to cross the river somehow. Either get wet feet or try and go across the stone somehow. But we got to get over there, have we? There we are. That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a shallow one there.
Are you going feet in here?
I think you're right close, John.
Don't you think? I think you'll be alright, buddy, Nige. There you are. You didn't have to get wet. Watch that big rock there, she's loose. Are you going for the wet option? No, overhang here. Nige is in, boy.
One river crossing.
Yeah, we committed now, boy. Right. I think it's going to come to a point where I say to Nigel, do you fancy going out tomorrow? And he's going to say no. Because I keep on. I said, I think it's going to come to a point where I say to you, Nigel, do you fancy going out tomorrow? And you're going to say no. Because you know what we're going to be up against.
Oh, I know.
It's you, it is. You tell me about these places and you say, we'll go if you want.
A 2.5 mile walk barefoot in the beach the other day.
I know.
The time before, you sit down that ladder onto the beach.
Yeah. There we go. So guys, we made it to the secret waterfall, which is called what, Nige?
Sgwd Einion Gam.
Sgwd Einion Gam. Which is, you've seen it before, I'm sure. Right there. That's all about the Well, Nigel was just saying that apparently I'm the first man to ever reach this location without getting his feet wet. Well, the river is low and I got quite good balance, but I didn't care if I was getting my feet wet or not, but I just didn't have to. But what a stunning location this is. Look at that. You've got like 3 or 4 little cascades there and then the big waterfall up behind it. Stunning. So as you can see, we're at the base of the fall and a couple of people that was here have now gone, so it's just me and Nigel here. Basically, shot wise, I've got a polarizer on the end there, which is just taking that glare out of the water and just making the colours, giving the colours a bit more depth. If you look there, really bring out the colours. And shooting f16 so I can get a slightly long shutter speed, and bracketing, which is giving me 4 seconds exposure, and obviously 1 over and 1 under. And I'm focusing here on this nearest rock, and then the second one I'm focusing on is there's a bit of a log there. I'm focusing there, and I'm just going to focus back there. But that's basically it. I'm taking a few shots from different locations, landscape and portrait. To the eye, this is probably one of the most picturesque, photogenic waterfalls I've come across. Like I said, I've been to most of them. Literally, I think there's one or two I haven't done, but yeah, this is one of the nicest ones I've come across. Especially now where the water's not so high. Because normally I imagine where I'm standing here now, if the water was high, all this would be filled with water, but because the water's quite low, I can get in nice compositions. And then, as you can see behind me, excuse somebody's barbecue there, but then obviously I can get behind all these nice mossy rocks which would normally be surrounded with water, which I imagine that would look lovely as well. But yeah, just making the most and taking advantage of being able to walk where you wouldn't normally be able to walk. But a couple of people down there though, and got to be the best part. How big is that, Nige? 60 foot, do you think? Maybe a bit higher, I'm not sure. Have to put some, have to do some research on that. But I don't know whether or not we're gonna head down to a few more trails from here. We'll see what the situation is when we get back to the vans, but I think that might be it. How are you feeling?
Good.
How's the rest?
Yeah, well, that's okay. We mentioned the fall of you.
I haven't mentioned it, no. You just did. So, yeah. I'm over there taking the fall. Ah! There he is.
Got to be one fall every time out, isn't it?
Yeah. But just saying, like, taking advantage of like standing where we are now, because normally, Nige, we'd be standing where the river is, wouldn't we?
Yes, yes. Nice composition, eh?
Yeah, it's slightly different.
Nice mossy rocks, isn't it?
Yeah.
I may have one from here now, I don't know.
Yeah, I like.
You got the barbecue in?
Yeah, I got the barbecue, that's what I'm getting, yeah.
Nice, isn't it? I was thinking, you know, just by there as well with that log.
Yeah.
Log by there.
Yeah. Like I say, so many different locations.
Follow, John, isn't it?
Well, I was just saying, I to our two viewers.
Yeah. Well, we need a sponsor, we do, don't we?
I just say to our two viewers that this is one of the most photogenic, nicest looking waterfalls I've been to.
Yeah.
And I have literally done. I can't think of any others that I haven't done now.
That's beautiful.
See, the two that we've done here. I think there's another two down there and there.
Yeah, I don't know if we're doing today. We'll see how we feel when we get back to the river now.
That's what I'm just saying to our two viewers.
I feel a coffee coming on.
Yeah. You got coffee?
Yeah, there's a shop down. Coffee by the car now, yeah.
So, if we don't do any more, that will be the end of the video. But stay tuned, because there might be one or two, and we'll have a look at our photos.
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Don't bother.
Don't be fake. So we're heading up to waterfall number 3 of the day. And this is one of Nigel's favourites. I've probably seen the image, but can't quite think of the fall, so looking forward to seeing it. What's this one, Nige?
We've been through again, a Sgwd Gwladus.
Sgwd Gwladus.
We'll get to the horseshoe falls next.
Okay. And how far up the trail it is? Roughly?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. So what's that, quarter mile?
Yeah, quarter mile and a bit maybe.
Yeah. It's a stunning little walk. The views and it's like being in Fairy Glen, yeah. There's a lot of it, Nige. Stunning. So by the sounds of it, we're approaching the first waterfall. I don't know if it is, but sounds like we're hitting something. Is this the first one, Nige, or no? Is this the first one or no?
I think it's the back end of it. We can watch the ones just up there.
All right. Is it?
No, this isn't it, John.
No?
No.
That's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
Look at this. That's nice, isn't it? The second one up? Yeah, that's lovely. And nobody here, which is great. So far. The fall that you just seen there, didn't really vlog and didn't take a great deal of photos because our sun has come out and blowing the eyelids right out, but lovely little falls, and definitely going to be coming back to them as well, with and without the camera. Lovely place for a walk, nice place for the dogs. So they was, what did you say, Nigel? Name of them ones then? Sgwd Gwladus. Isaf, and now we're heading up to Sgwd. Alright, and this is one of Nigel's favourite, the most photogenic, he says. So when you're following this trail up and you come to this tree, and there's a bit of a split in the path, and Nigel's thinking it's down to your right, so down to your right you go. Bit overgrown, but path's quite clear. Imagine this is quite slippery when it's wet, or in the winter where it's always damp, so you are going to visit. Make sure you've got half tighty shoes on. It's a little bit of a grip on it. Oh, I can see something through the trees there, and I can certainly hear it. Oh wow, quite nice actually. Yeah, it is nice, it's lovely. Yeah. That's it, isn't it?
You remember the ledges?
Yeah.
You get on the side now, look each side on the
Ah,
side.
yeah.
We'll go around that way first now, I think.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, it's cracker, isn't it? Nice and wide. Plenty of water coming off. Yeah, shame on that, but the fall itself is nice, isn't it? Well, it's been an absolutely fantastic day. It's now about, what time is it now? It's 4, 5 again? What's the time now?
Time is 10 to 5.
10 to 5. So we met for 10 o'clock-ish and we were straight on the trail. So we've been on the trails for a good 6 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Haven't rushed. Been really nice. I think it was the perfect location for the day, really, because it's been quite a really nice day walk, as you can see here. But obviously, with all the trees, we're undercover. So let's say if we was out anywhere else on the coast or whatever, it would have been game over on the photography. But yeah, good choice and an absolutely outstanding trail. I've done the others, and I think by far nicer waterfalls and a lot easier walk. So this is definitely one that I'll be coming to again, and definitely one I'd recommend if who's watching this video. I haven't done 20 vlogs or 20 vlogs. I haven't done too much talking about camera settings, setting up and all that, because it's always difficult when you're at locations like this, because footing's not the best, it's noisy, people about, and it's just not the best for doing a vlog. I find it quite difficult. Maybe if you had a microphone on, it'd be a bit easier, a bit more content with it. But yeah, absolutely outstanding day. I hope you enjoy the photos, and I will, or we will, catch you on the next one. Is it night?
Right.
Bon voyage!
Bon voyage! I think we're done, are we?
We're done, Mike.
Sunset.